Good morning to all. Today we have to revise 11th chemistry lesson 5 alkali and alkaline earth metals. Already we know this alkali and alkaline earth metals are this first and second group elements. First group present this alkali metals, second group present alkaline earth metals. The general electronic configurations of alkali and alkaline earth metals. Alkali, this general electronic configuration NS1. This alkaline earth metals general electronic configuration NS2. Okay. This alkali general electronic configuration NS1. This general electronic configuration NS2. This oxidation state, this alkali and alkaline earth metals positive oxidation states have. This alkali is plus 1 oxidation state, alkaline earth metals plus 2 oxidation states. Plus 2 oxidation states. This alkali general electronic configuration NS1, this alkaline earth metals general electronic configuration NS2. Here this positive oxidation state. Here also positive oxidation state. Here plus 1. Here plus 2. This only alkali and alkaline earth metals. This group wise, this atomic and ionic radii increase. Top to bottom group wise, this atomic and ionic radii increase. Left to right, this ionization energy, electronegativity, electron affinity, this effective nuclear charge. Left to right increase. This only general characteristics of S block elements. Some special characteristics this hydrogen groups have. This already this fourth lesson we have seen. This lesson 5 alkali and alkaline earth metals. This alkali and alkaline earth metal also some special characteristics have. There some diagonal relationship have. This from the diagonal relations, due to the diagonal relationships, some similar properties. This first question, the similar properties of lithium and magnesium. Similar properties of lithium and magnesium. Similarities between lithium and magnesium. This lithium and magnesium, this diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium between diagonal relationship shows some similar properties. This that only similarities between lithium and magnesium. First, similarities between lithium and magnesium. Both lithium and magnesium, first one, both lithium and magnesium, these are harder than other elements. Both lithium and magnesium, this harder than other elements. Harder than other elements. Both lithium and magnesium harder than other elements in their respective groups. In their respective groups. First similarities, both lithium and magnesium. Both lithium and magnesium harder than other elements in their respective groups. Second, lithium and magnesium react slowly. Lithium and magnesium react slowly with water. Slowly with water. Lithium and magnesium react slowly with water. Their oxides, lithium oxides and magnesium oxide, their oxides and hydroxides are much less soluble than other elements. Their hydroxide decompose on heating. this lithium and magnesium react slowly with water. There, this lithium and magnesium, there oxidants, hydroxides, this easily soluble with water. This hydroxides of their hydroxides decomposed with heat. Then next, both lithium and magnesium form this halides. Halides and nitrides. This nitrides. Lithium can form lithium nitride. This magnesium can form magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride. This by direct combination of nitrogen. This both lithium and magnesium can form nitrides. Lithium nitride and magnesium nitride. This direct combination with nitrogen. Then this they do not give any superoxides. Lithium and magnesium do not give any superoxides. Do not give any superoxides. Any superoxides. This only form oxides. Lithium oxide and magnesium oxide. Lithium oxide and magnesium oxide. This do not form bicarbonates. Lithium and magnesium do not form bicarbonates. Do not form bicarbonates. Both lithium chloride and magnesium chloride are soluble in ethanol. This halides, lithium halides and magnesium halides, this soluble in this alcohol. And dilution, they crystallize form this aqueous solutions and hydrogens. This hydrates soluble in this ethanol. Similarities between lithium and magnesium. Both lithium and magnesium hotter than other elements in their respective groups. Lithium and magnesium react slowly with water. Lithium and magnesium hydroxides and oxide soluble in water, but hydroxides decompose easily with heat. This both lithium and magnesium form nitrides. Lithium nitride, magnesium direct by direct combination with nitrogen. This lithium and magnesium do not form any superoxides, only form oxides. Example, lithium oxide and magnesium oxides. This both lithium and magnesium do not form bicarbonates. This hydrides, this halogens, lithium chloride and magnesium chloride. Lithium chloride and magnesium chloride soluble in ethanol. The similarities between lithium and magnesium. Next, this lithium and magnesium, this have diagonal relationships. So this similar properties have. Next, chemical properties of alkali metals. Chemical properties of alkali metals. Second question, chemical properties of alkali metals. Chemical properties of alkali metals. First, reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. Lithium react with oxygen to give lithium oxide. Lithium oxide. Lithium oxide, this react Lithium react with oxygen, we will get lithium oxide. Reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. This metal, any metal, lithium react with this hydrogen, we will get lithium hydride. Lithium hydride. Then reaction with halogen. Reaction with halogens. This metal, any alkali metal, this example lithium, react with halogens. Halogens means chlorine, fluorine, iodine. This any halogens will get lithium chloride. Next, reaction with liquid ammonia. Reaction with liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia. This metal, any metal react with ammonia, we will get this any metal NH2 and half H2. Next, reaction with water. Reaction with water. Reaction with water. Lithium react with water. Lithium react with water to form lithium oxide, lithium hydroxide and hydrogen. Lithium react with water, give lithium hydroxide and hydrogen. Reducing activity. This alkalis have some reducing activity also. This metal can form metal plus and electron minus. So this metals, alkali metals have reducing activity. Then reaction with carbon. Reaction with carbon. Lithium react with two carbon to form lithium carbide. Lithium carbide. This chemical properties of alkali metals. First, reaction with oxygen. Lithium react with oxygen, we will get lithium oxide. Reaction with hydrogen. Lithium react with hydrogen, we will get lithium hydride. Reaction with halogen. Lithium react with chlorine, we will get lithium chloride. Reaction with liquid ammonia. This metal react with ammonia, we will get this metal amine and half H2. Reaction with water. Lithium react with water, we will get lithium hydroxide and hydrogen. Reducing activity. Metals have reducing activity. They can form this ion, so this metals have reducing activity. Reaction with carbon. Lithium react with carbon to form lithium carbides. This only chemical properties of alkali metals. Chemical properties of alkali metals. Third question, uses of alkali metals. 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 This alkali metals, this can form alloys. Alkali metals can form alloys. This lithium also used to make electrochemical cells. Lithium carbonate is used to medicines. Lithium carbonate is used to medicines. Lithium carbonate used to make medicines. Then lithium and sodium metal is used to this coolant in fast breeder reactor. Coolant in lithium and sodium used to coolant in fast breeder reactor. Fast breeder in nuclear reactor. Breeder in nuclear reactor. Potassium chloride is also used in fertilizer. Potassium chloride also used in fertilizer. This alkali metals used to form alloys. This lithium, this also used in electrochemical cells. Lithium carbonate is used to form medicines. Lithium and sodium, this used in coolant in fast breeder in nuclear reactor. Potassium chloride is used in fertilizer. This uses of alkali metals. Next, preparations of sodium carbonate. Preparations of sodium carbonate. Preparations of sodium carbonate. This sodium carbonate common name washing soda. Preparations of sodium carbonate. Fourth one, preparations of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. This common name washing soda. Washing soda. Preparations of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. This common name washing soda. This Na2CO3 10H2O. This only washing soda. This preparations of washing soda. This ammonia. This washing soda. The synthesis of washing soda by react with ammonia, water, and carbon dioxide. We will get ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. This ammonium carbonate again. This ammonium carbonate again react with water and this ammonium carbonate again react with water and carbon dioxide. We will get ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate. This ammonium bicarbonate. This ammonium bicarbonate again react with sodium chloride. We will get ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. This sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. This decompose. We will get sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Preparations of sodium carbonate. This common name of sodium carbonate is washing soda. The molecular formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3 10H2O. This ammonia react with water, carbon dioxide. We will get this ammonium carbonate. This ammonium carbonate again react with water and carbon dioxide. We will get ammonia and ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate react with sodium chloride. We will get ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. This sodium bicarbonate decompose. We will get sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide and water. This only preparations of sodium carbonate. Preparations of sodium carbonate. Then properties of sodium carbonate. Properties of sodium carbonate. Properties of sodium carbonate. Properties of sodium carbonate. This sodium carbonate, this molecular formula of sodium carbonate, washing soda, Na2CO3 10H2O. This heated at 373 Kelvin. This first removal of this 9 water. Na2 sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 H2O and 9H2O will get. Then Na2 sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 H2O again heated, we will get sodium carbonate and water. Na2CO3 and water. This properties of sodium carbonate. Properties of sodium carbonate. Preparations of sodium carbonate. This common name washing soda. This molecular formula sodium carbonate 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. Preparations of sodium carbonate. This synthesis of sodium carbonate. 4 steps need. First, ammonia react with water and carbon dioxide. We will get ammonium carbonate. This ammonium carbonate react with water and carbon dioxide. We will get ammonium bicarbonate. Then ammonium bicarbonate react with sodium chloride. We will get ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Then sodium bicarbonate decompose. We will get sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide and water. This only preparations of sodium carbonate. Then properties of sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 10H2O. Sodium carbonate heated at 373 Kelvin. Sodium carbonate H2O and 9H2O will get. Against this sodium carbonate H2O, this decompose will get sodium carbonate and water. This only properties of sodium carbonate. Next, uses of sodium carbonate. Uses of sodium carbonate. Uses of sodium carbonate. This sodium washing soda, this used in laundry. The sodium carbonate is used as laundry. This washing soda, this used in laundry. Then this sodium carbonate used in volumetric analysis. This used in volumetric analysis. Next, this sodium carbonate used to water treatment. Used to water treatment. Then sodium carbonate used to manufacture of paper paint glass. Paper paint glass. This uses of sodium carbonate. The sodium carbonate used in laundry. This sodium carbonate is also used in volumetric analysis in organic chemistry. This sodium carbonate is used in water treatment. This sodium carbonate is used to manufacture of paper, paint and glass industry. This uses of sodium carbonate. Next, this sodium chloride. This sodium chloride molecular formula NaC. This common name cooking salt and table salt. Cooking salt and table salt. Sodium chloride, cooking salt and table salt. Salt and table salt. Table salt. Then sodium hydroxide. Preparations of sodium hydroxide. Preparation of sodium hydroxide. Preparations of sodium hydroxide. Preparations of sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide synthesized by electrolysis method. This here used Koster-Kellner cell. This preparations of sodium hydroxide is used in Kastner-Kellner cell. Preparations of sodium hydroxide is this used by electrolysis method. Preparations of sodium hydroxide this used to prepare in electrolysis method. This sodium hydroxide, the preparations of sodium hydroxide is used in Koster-Kellner cell. This mercury is a cathode. Mercury is used in cathode. Carbon this used in anode. Carbon is used in anode. This mercury is used in cathode, carbon is used in anode. This at anode, this reaction is occur at cathode. This Na plus electron minus sodium, this sodium ion gain this electron, we will get sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam. Then at anode, this mercury only has the name amalgam. Cathode mercury has no sodium amalgam. At anode, chlorine. Chlorine means minus. This loss electron we will get half Cl2 and electron. Sodium ion gain 1 electron, we will get sodium amalgam. Chlorine, this loss 1 electron, we will get chlorine and loss 1 electron. So of Cl2 plus electron. This total reactions is 2 Na amalgam plus 2 H2O gives 2 NaOH and 2 Hc plus hydrogen gas. This only preparations of sodium hydroxide. Preparations of sodium hydroxide. Preparations of sodium hydroxide by electrolysis method. This Koster-Kellner cell is used. This mercury is a cathode. This carbon is a anode. At cathode, sodium ion gain 1 electron. This we will get sodium amalgam. This at anode, chlorine. This loss 1 electron get half chlorine. Total this reaction is sodium react with water. We will get sodium hydroxide, mercury and hydrogen. This are the preparations of sodium hydroxide or electrolysis of sodium hydroxide. Electrolysis of sodium, preparations of sodium hydroxide or electrolysis of sodium hydroxide. This on right. Next question, sodium, preparations of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate. This only common name, baking soda. This baking soda, cooking time, this baking soda used to mean this gives some softness. So bakery is used to this baking soda. This release sodium bicarbonate react with this ingredients. This uses ingredients. This gives release carbon dioxide. So some softness or softness will give. This uses of sodium bicarbonate is very very important. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. This only packing soda. Like this also can have some molecular formula given, one write common name. Otherwise, some common name give, one write this chemical name. So, one study this chemical name and this common name also. This like this sodium carbonate means washing soda, sodium chloride means table salt and cooking salt. This sodium hydroxide alkali, sodium bicarbonate packing soda, like this. Sodium bicarbonate, uses of sodium bicarbonate. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. First, the sodium bicarbonate is used in fire extinguisher. This used in fire extinguisher. This sodium bicarbonate is used in antiseptic in for skin infection. Antiseptic for skin. Antiseptic for skin. This infection. This ingredient in packing. Already said no ingredient in packing. This then biological importance of sodium. This biological importance also have some biological importance also have the sodium bicarbonate. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is used in fire extinguisher. Then sodium bicarbonate this also used in antiseptic for skin infection. Then ingredient in baking. Packing. Then biological importance of sodium and potassium. Biological importance of sodium and potassium. Biological importance of sodium and potassium. This sodium and potassium. This sodium and potassium used in biological also. The sodium and potassium have some biological importance. This sodium and potassium used in ion balance, nerve impulse conduction also used. Ion balance, nerve impulse conduction. The sodium and potassium is used in ion balance, nerve impulse conduction. Then this sodium and potassium present in blood fluids. This blood fluids present in blood fluids. Sodium ions are found in this outside of cells. Sodium, this ions are present in outside of the cells. Sodium ions present in outside of the cells. Then the sodium and potassium is located in blood plasma also. This sodium and potassium transmits nerve signals and regulating the flow of water across the cell membrane. This nerve impulse and transmit this water molecules also. Nerve signals and water molecules. Then across cell membrane, this transport sugar and amino acids into cell. This sodium and potassium, this transport sugar and amino acids into cells. This sodium and potassium, This activate many enzymes. This used in sodium potassium pump. It's used in sodium potassium pump also. This biological importance of sodium and potassium. This sodium and potassium this used in there's many biological importance have. This sodium and potassium give iron balance, nerve impulse conductions. This sodium and potassium present in blood fluids. This sodium ions present outside of these cells. This sodium and potassium transmit this nerve signals and water molecule across the cell membrane. This sodium and potassium activate the enzymes. Many enzymes, sodium and potassium pump used to transmit many nerve signals and water molecules. This biological importance of sodium and potassium. Then next, alkaline earth metals. The second group. This second group is alkaline earth metals. Here, this beryllium and aluminium. The similarities between beryllium and aluminium. Similarities between beryllium and aluminium. Similarities between beryllium and aluminium. Both beryllium and aluminium can form chlorides. This beryllium chloride forms a dimeric structure. Like this, aluminium also can form dimeric structure. Both beryllium and aluminium forms dimeric structures. This aluminium chloride presents this chloride bridge. Aluminium chloride presents this chloride bridge. Beryllium chloride also have this polymeric chain. This like this. Thus both beryllium and aluminium chloride soluble in water. Then both beryllium and aluminium chloride is dimeric form. This aluminium chloride also have this chloride bridges. Both beryllium and aluminium chlorides can soluble in water. Then this both beryllium and aluminium compounds soluble in organic solvents also. This both beryllium and aluminium chlorides have strong leaves. The leaves acids can form leaves acids also. This beryllium and aluminium hydroxides. Beryllium and aluminium hydroxides dissolve excess of alkali. Next, beryllium and aluminium have strong tendency to form complex. Then both beryllium and aluminium hydroxide are amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means acid and basic nature. Both beryllium and aluminium have amphoteric in nature. Both beryllium and aluminium can form carbides. Beryllium and aluminium can form carbides and hydrides. This aluminium and beryllium, these carbides can give methane gas also. Beryllium and aluminium rendered passive reaction in nitric acid. This one is similarities between beryllium and aluminium. Both beryllium and aluminium dimeric structure. This aluminium chloride has chloride bridges. Both beryllium and aluminium can give this leaves acids. This hydroxides and aluminium hydroxides can dissolve excess of alkali. Both beryllium and aluminium can form this complex. Beryllium and aluminium compounds are amphoteric in nature. Beryllium and aluminium can give carbides. This carbides decompose to give methane gas also. This beryllium and aluminium are rendered passive reaction in nitric acid. This only similarities between beryllium and aluminium. Beryllium and aluminium. Next, chemical properties of this alkaline earth metals. This alkaline earth metals also react with oxygen, chlorine, the halogens, carbides. This many reactions. Some reaction we can see halogens react with halogens. This metal react with halogens form MX2. Example, this beryllium react with chlorine, we will get beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride. This like this. Beryllium chloride. Beryllium react with chlorine, gives beryllium chloride. Another one reactions, beryllium oxide react with carbon and chlorine. This heated at 600 to 800 Kelvin gets beryllium chloride and hydrogen. This beryllium chloride. Then react with hydrogen. React with hydrogen. This beryllium chloride react with lithium aluminum hydride. We will get beryllium hydride and lithium chloride and aluminum chloride. Next, preparations of quicklime. This quicklime means calcium oxide. Quicklime means calcium oxide. This preparations of calcium oxide. Calcium carbonate decompose with 1070 to 1270 Kelvin. Calcium carbonate treated at 1070 to 1270 Kelvin. We will get quicklime, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This properties of quicklime. This calcium oxide, quicklime react with water. We will get calcium hydroxide, slackline. This calcium hydroxide. Then this quicklime, calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide. We will get calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Then calcium oxide react with water. We will get this already said no. Slackline, calcium hydroxide. This calcium react with silicon dioxide. We will get calcium silicate, CaSiO3. Then calcium oxide react with B4O10, phosphorus pentoxide gives calcium phosphate. These properties of quicklime. Calcium oxide react with water, calcium hydroxide will form. Calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate will form. Calcium oxide react with silicon dioxide, silica, we will get calcium silicate. Calcium oxide react with phosphorus pentoxide, we will get calcium phosphate. Next, uses of quicklime. This uses of calcium oxide. This calcium oxide is used in cement, mortar, glass, This manufacture of cement, mortar and glass. This calcium oxide used in manufacture of sodium carbonate and slag lime. This calcium oxide is used in purification of sugar, purification of sugar, purification of sugar. It is also used in calcium oxide is also used in drying agent. Drying agent. Uses of carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide is used in the calcium oxide is used. Uses of calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is used in this manufacture of cement, mortar and glass. This calcium oxide is also used in manufacture of sodium carbonate, slag lime also. This calcium oxide is used to purification of sugar. This calcium oxide is important play a role in drying agent also. Next, preparations of slag lime. This calcium hydroxide, common name slag lime or milk of lime. This calcium and this hydroxide, properties of already preparations of calcium hydroxide we seen. This quicklime react with water, we will get slag lime, CaOH twice. This preparations of slag lime. Then properties of slag lime, CaOH twice plus carbon dioxide, we will get calcium carbonate. Chalk, calcium carbonate only. This preparations of chalk also used to this reaction only. Then calcium carbonate, this again react with carbon dioxide and water, we will get calcium bicarbonate. Then preparation of bleaching powder. Slag lime, CaOH twice react with CaOH twice. Slag lime react with chlorine. We will get calcium chloride and calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride and water. Preparations of bleaching powder. Slag lime, CaOH twice react with chlorine, we will get calcium chloride and calcium oxychloride. This calcium oxychloride only bleaching powder and water. This only preparations of bleaching powder. Uses of this milk of lime, slag lime. This uses of slag lime. Slag lime. This used in mortar in building industry. This calcium slag lime mortar in building industry. This calcium slag lime is used in whitewash due to its disinfection. Used in whitewash. This what the purpose? This whitewash. This due to disinfection. This whitewash due to disinfection. Last year 3 mark questions. This reasonable question asked this. This sodium, this slag lime, this used in whitewash. For what this whitewash doing in our home? This due to disinfection. This next, this slag lime is used in making glass making and tanning industry, preparations of bleaching powder, purification of sugar also. Preparations of bleaching powder and purification of sugar. Uses of slackline. This used in mortaring, building industry. This used in whitewash due to disinfections. This for manufacture of glass making, tanning industry, preparations of bleaching powder. Then used in purification of sugar also. This only uses of slackline. Next. Gypsum molecular formula. This calcium sulfate 2H2O. Calcium sulfate 2H2O. Uses of gypsum. Gypsum is used in making tripod and plaster boards. This tripod or plaster boards. Gypsum is used to prepare this used in tripods and plaster boards. This another important use of gypsum is this production of plaster of Paris. Gypsum is used to making surgical and orthopedic cast. Also used in surgical and orthopedic cast. Gypsum plays an important role in this agriculture as a soil additive conditioner and fertilizer. Gypsum also used in soil additive conditioner and fertilizer also. This fertilizer. Gypsum is used in toothpaste, shampoo and hair products. Toothpaste, shampoo and hair products also. Gypsum is a component of this very important component of Portland cement. This gypsum used in cement means easy can hardening. So this cement used this gypsum. This uses of gypsum used in make tripods or plaster boards. This another important uses of gypsum is to manufacture of plaster barriers. This gypsum used in surgical and orthopedic castings. This gypsum is used in the agriculture also, soil conditioning and fertilizer. This gypsum is also used in toothpaste, shampoo and hair products. Gypsum is this important component of Portland cement also. Next, preparations of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Preparations of plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate gypsum. This 2CaSO4 This gypsum, this heated at 393 Kelvin, we will get plaster of Paris, CaSO4 H2O and 3 hydrogen. This plaster of Paris, CaSO4 H2O, this heated at above 393 Kelvin, this we will get calcium sulfate. This is a dead paint. Calcium sulfate is a dead burnt plaster. Preparations of plaster of Paris. Gypsum, calcium sulfate 2H2O, heated at 393 Kelvin, we will get calcium sulfate. 3 hydrogen. This plaster of Paris heated at above 393 Kelvin, we will get calcium sulfate. This titrate all the water, we will get calcium sulfate. This dead band plaster. Next, uses of plaster of Paris. This plaster of Paris is used in building industry. Building industry. This bone fracture and sprain. Then false ceiling. False ceiling. They also employed in dentistry, in ornamental work. Dentistry and in ornamental work for making custom statues and first. This uses of plaster of Paris. This plaster of Paris used in building industry. Then this used in bone fracture or sprain. Then it is also employed in dentistry in ornamental work. Dentistry for making cast statues and bust.
Yes.
Thank you.